We had some good action today with Dogecoin, and hopefully it doesn't stop going through the night, and hopefully by the time you guys see this that it did not stop and that we are on our way to new levels. But let's talk about why. So Elon Musk came out last night, by the time you guys see this again, last night, saying that basically Dogecoin developers are looking for advice and looking for help for development. And he said that you can post the your help and stuff on Reddit or on the on the GitHub, which is fantastic because they're actually reaching out to the community for help and for advice to ways, to make it better and to develop it more so it's not just a meme coin, because that's what it is to everybody. But he also sent out a tweet saying that he spoke with North American Bitcoin miners. But this is where he sent that tweet out asking for help from the community of Twitter, saying that if you guys are looking to help Doge, you can again send it over to Reddit and send it over to the GitHub for all of anything to help with development. So hopefully this brings some good news to Doge and continues to cause this thing to go up. I'm still thinking this thing's going to be above $1.25 by the end of the year.
Yeah, and especially I think it's really good. Obviously, if you have the more eyeballs looking at it, the better. Because there's
100%.
People can come up with completely different ideas. So the more people looking at it, the more potential solutions you have. And then if they do come up with a solution, and then Daddy Elon over there is going to be like, hey, Tesla's accepting Doge, like then we're for sure hitting $1. Like
off to the races.
Done deal.
Yep.
Yeah.
But for those people that have not sold and that are in this long term, just like we are, we're looking at Dogecoin right now, and we are starting to test that 37 mark again. We did break past it a little bit, and then it pulled back. And so based on TradingView and off of our trends over on Webull, I think this 37 is a good resistance right now. But I'm telling you what, once we break past this 37 and start to touch it, I think it's off to 40 where we're going to see our next resistance point. But I'm telling you what, I'm seeing this thing by the end of probably, maybe even we're in May, maybe by mid-June, I'm thinking this thing's going to be back up towards the 50s, maybe even 60s by then, because crypto is just so volatile right now. But I'm thinking that we're going to start to really see this push back up.
Yeah, we were hanging around mid-40s, upper 40s or so until all the bad news about China came out, and then that's when all the cryptos just tanked. So I think we'll get back up there for sure. I mean, it's just yesterday it was up like 20% in a day. So, I mean, if any of you out there bought on that dip, good job for you. But, yeah, I mean, I can see it going back up into the 40s, mid-40s, upper 40s for sure here soon. Just everyone's going to start piling back in. It was only down because of China cracking down on crypto, so.
Right. And if you guys are long-term believers in this, you guys got to believe in this. You cannot just be selling off on a whim, but you got to do what's best for you and your money. If you sell, you have the opportunity to buy back in. We're not going to tell you guys what to do. This is not financial advice, but you guys got to, you got to hold strong. That's exactly what we're doing with this thing. But we did have a support line of about 25 cents right now. And again, starting to see that resistance here around that 37 mark, broke past it, pulled back, bounced off the 25, and now we're pushing back towards 37. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully by the time you guys see this, that we're pushing back up towards the 40s and off to the races. But that's going to wrap up this quick update. If you guys like these little rapid fire quick updates, let us know down in the comment section below. If you guys want to stay up to date on all things crypto, all things Neo, Doge, stock market, everything like that, just hit that sub button. It's the best way to stay up to date, and it helps support the channel. We're also trying to hit 5,000 subs by the end of this month, so hit that sub button. That's all we ask. We got links down in the description for all that good stuff we talk about in every video, so if you guys want any of it, it's all down below. But again, thank you guys so much for all the support, and we'll see you in the next video.